Hello, guys. Once again, a very warm and heartily welcome from our YouTube channel, Library Science with Rakesh Meena. Once again, here your favorite Mudit Jain. So, today I am going to take a lecture on CalibNet. As my previous video, I hope you like my DELNet, Delhi Library Network lecture. So many demands of students and their comments. Here again I am taking continue lecture on the networking which are used in the library. So today I am going to take a lecture on CalibNet. So we start CalibNet. So before we proceed, you all should know about what is CalibNet and what is the networking. So it's a type of network which are used in the libraries to digitalize the all over India or all over world libraries. As you know, everywhere there is a digitalization. So why should library keep behind? So networking is a very most important part for the library, and it's also a very useful part for the your examination, for your UGC papers and your NET, JRF and any other competitive exams. These are the most important part for the library sciences. So let's start, guys. Please enjoy my lecture and start. CalibNet. As the name describing, as you know, CalibNet. First one is, what is the name of full form of CalibNet? It is Calcutta Library Network. Name, as you know, Calcutta Library Network. When it was established, it's established in 1986. It is established in 1986. And when it was registered? In 1994. It was established here. And it was registered here. Registered here. So where it registered? It is registered in West Bengal. It is registered in West Bengal Government Societies Act 1961. So please, guys, don't be confused. It is the only act which are described by the government, 1961. So don't be confused, 94, 1986. It is just only act, and it is the established year and it is the registered year. Okay. And where is the headquarter? So guys, हेडक्वार्टर जानना बहुत जरूरी है आप लोगों के लिए. अभी पहुंचना हो तो आपके काम आएगा. हेडक्वार्टर. Where is the headquarter? As you know, Calcutta Library Network है तो obviously कोलकाता. Okay. And it is India's first regional network. What is the meaning of it? Is India's first regional network. India's first. इंडिया का फर्स्ट रीजनल नेटवर्क है. Its members, how many members are in this CalibNet? Members. Guys, it has 38 members. Please remember this. It has a 38 members. I will repeat all these things. Don't worry. And in first phase, what is the first phase? And now what is the use of Calibrate, where it is used, and what is the main task of the Calibrate. So Calibrate main task क्या है अब इनका? In first phase it undertook the task in first phase it undertook the task of linking 38 computerized libraries in the field of science and technology. So link 38 computerized libraries in the field of science and technology, located within the Kolkata metropolitan area. Where to link the 38 computer libraries? Only in Kolkata. In Kolkata metropolitan एरिया. अब इसको कहां के कंप्यूटर्स कनेक्ट करने हैं, कहां का नेटवर्क कनेक्ट करना है, कहां के टास्क कंप्लीट करने हैं? ओनली 38 कंप्यूटर libraries in the field of science and technology in Kolkata metropolitan area, and would then proceed to connect to other metropolitan area networks. It is not only limited to Kolkata, but you can access networks, namely which are as follows. So many networks are there. Like first one is Delnet, Delhi Library Network. Second one is, so many library networks are there. Bombay Library Network, Bombay Library Network, etc. Like Mysore Library Network and so on. We will discuss into the further videos what are all these things. So next, I hope you are understanding what I am teaching. What is the URL of Calibrate? URL पता होना चाहिए. How you reach to the Calibrate? HTTP www.calibrate.org. So many guys, you are thinking why we are using the org. So many websites have .com, .in. So many protocols are there. So why we are using the org method? Because it's denote to the organization. Organization. It denote to the organization. What are the activities of Calibrate? It is centered around the providing access to materials available in the eastern region. It provides access to materials in the eastern region. Obviously it is located in the Kolkata, and Kolkata is the eastern part of India. So eastern region. Now what Calibrate offers? Calibrate offers the following services. Calibrate services. अब Calibrate की सर्विसेज क्या होती है? What are the Calibrate services? Mainly includes Con Alert service. First is Con Alert. Con Alert service. Con Alert service. It gives users the customized service, by providing current and tailored bibliographic information. Now I will clear this all things. Con Alert service. It is a pre-decided and the fixed service by the Calibnet. It gives users the customized service by providing current and tailored bibliographic information. What is current and tailored? Current and tailored is the, as you know, the word itself describing latest and enough mannerful, which are related to bibliographic information. Like जो ग्रंथ में जो information होती है उनको एक बिल्कुल customized way में ये provide करता है. Clear? Second one is retrofile. Keep it into the mind, all these things. Retrofile. Retrofile service provides trend of research. जो करंटली में अभी क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है, क्या रिसर्च हो रहा है, उसके बारे में it is providing research on any given specific topic. जो करंटली में क्या सिनेरियो चल रहा है रिसर्च के बेसिस पे एंड जो स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक है उसके बारे में ये चीज प्रोवाइड करती है. क्लियर? एंड अनदर वन इज, थर्ड वन इज कैलिब लिंक. Calib link. So in Calib link, it gives the email connectivity. ईमेल तो सभी लोगों को पता ही होगा. ईमेल connectivity. These are the mainly services which are provided by the Calibnet. Now we go for the next. It provides the following active links. What are the active links? Active links. You are very close to this topic. So first of all, in active links, why these are providing the following active links? Because to benefit the member libraries. जो इस लाइब्रेरी से जुड़ी हुई, इस कैलिबनेट से जुड़ी हुई जो लाइब्रेरीज हैं उनको बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए ये फॉलोइंग एक्टिव सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है. क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं देखते हैं. इंडियन लाइब्रेरी एंड नेटवर्क रिसोर्सेस. Okay. Second one is overseas library resources in India. जो फॉरेन में जो लाइब्रेरीज होती हैं, ओवरसीज लाइब्रेरी, उनके जो रिसोर्सेज इंडिया में है उनको ये चीज प्रोवाइड करती है. ओवरसीज लाइब्रेरी रिसोर्सेज इन इंडिया. क्लियर? Now the third one is worldwide library catalogs. Worldwide library catalogs. These are pre-decided. You should keep and remember into the mind. This is the third one and fourth one. National libraries of the world. दो तीन और ही हैं. Don't take tension. National libraries of world. Fifth one is newspaper and journals. Newspaper and journals. You all are student of library sciences, so you better know what is journals and what is newspapers. Okay? सभी को पता ही होगा न्यूज़पेपर क्या होता है, जर्नल क्या होता है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रेफरेंस टूल. Electronic reference tools. ERT. Factual information services. जो फैक्ट होते हैं, factual information services. सोर्सेस. कहां से फैक्ट पता होगा हम लोगों को, उस चीज का जो सोर्स है, इट विल प्रोवाइड दैट फैसिलिटीज. एंड द लास्ट वन इज डॉक्यूमेंट सप्लाई सर्विसेस. डॉक्यूमेंट सप्लाई सर्विसेस. This is the mainly active links to benefit the member libraries. Clear? Now, before going to the next slide, Calibrate programs varied for the provide details. It provide details of varied Calibrate programs. It website also provide details of varied Calibrate programs. So, on-demand information services. If you demand any information services, first of all, you have to member this Calibrate, and after the membership of Calibrate, you can demand information services. Information service. Sir, clear? Second one is consultative services for library automation. It also provide the library automation services. उनके लिए ये लोग consultancy भी provide करते हैं and consult करते हैं जो automation करना चाहती है, and they want to use the networking system. So consultative system ये लोग provide करते हैं. They are providing the consultative service. Clear? Third one is manpower development opportunities. Manpower development क्या होता है? What is the manpower development? To provide the human resources, to provide the manpower to any organization. Manpower development उसी को बोलते हैं manpower development. Manpower development. And the last one is रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन आईटी एप्लीकेशन, R&D. इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम लोग लिख देते हैं R&D, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन आईटी एक्टिव एप्लीकेशंस, आईटी, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एप्लीकेशंस. Clear guys? So the very most important part is coming. Calibrate ने कुछ डेवलप किया है सॉफ्टवेयर, बिकॉज विदाउट सॉफ्टवेयर नो नेटवर्क इज वर्क, नो नेटवर्क विल वर्क सॉफ्टवेयर. ये आपका कैलिब्रेट हो गया. अब इसने कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया है? संजुक्ता. नेम ही इसका संजुक्ता है, संजू नाम से आप लोग याद रख सकते हैं. संजुक्ता इन हाउस डेवलप किया है इन्होंने. मल्टी यूजर स्टोरेज प्रोवाइड करता है ये. बहुत सारे यूजर एक साथ हो जाते हैं, देन इट इज यूज मल्टी यूजर स्टोरेज. ओके. इट प्रोवाइड द ऑनलाइन एक्सेस टू द रिमोट एरियाज. अभी क्या करता है? व्हाट इज द मेनली वर्क ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर? सपोज यू आर इन द एनी रिमोट एरिया जहां से आप लोग किसी चीज को एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. टू प्रोवाइड एक्सेस फ्रॉम रिमोट एरिया. इस फ्लो चार्ट को याद रखें, प्लीज कीप इट इनटू द माइंड. कैलिब्रेट सॉफ्टवेयर है इसका संजुक्ता. सॉफ्टवेयर इज संजुक्ता. एंड व्हाट इज द एप्लीकेशन? मल्टी यूजर स्टोरेज एंड टू प्रोवाइड एक्सेस फ्रॉम रिमोट एरिया. क्लियर? इट इज वेरी simple and easy manner to remember what is Calibrate, what is software which are used by the Calibrate, and what is the application of Calibrate, and what is the advantage of Calibrate. It has developed another software, that name is Parapar. 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 First one is Sanjukta and the second one is Parapar. It is a conversion software. It is a conversion software. I will tell what is the use of conversion and everything. Conversion software. It provide the, क्या करता है अब ये? It provide the interchange of bibliographic data. Interchange in bibliographic data. Clear? See, what is the application of Sanjukta? To provide the remote access. And what is the application of Parapar? To interchange in bibliographic data. Okay. And the last one is Calibrate also provides the current awareness services. Calibrate also provides CAS. What is the CAS? Current awareness service. This is also application of Calibrate and Bibliofile and other email services. Bibliofile, ग्रंथ की जो फाइल होती है, and other email services. आप लोग मोबाइल यूज करते हैं, वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज आती हैं उनमें. सो दिस इज द सेम थिंग कि मोबाइल जो आप यूज करते हैं उसमें भी ईमेल सर्विसेज होती हैं एंड अदर मेनी टाइप ऑफ सर्विसेज होती है, वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज. सो इट इज अनदर पार्ट विच आर यूजिंग Calibrate to provide the current awareness services, bibliophile, and other email services. So guys, for today it is enough for the Calibrate. I hope you like my lecture, and if you like my lecture, I am always ready to help. Please mention me in the comment. Good luck and be happy. Thank you so much.